Hello and welcome to another 1 minute drum lesson. So today we've got a really cool sextuplet lick that you can put into your groove and just add a little spice to it. So it's semiquaver sextuplets, so there's 6 notes in the beat. Those 6 notes are foot, right, right, left, left foot, and then we just do together for the backbeat. So the hands are just doing it between the hi-hat and the snare drum, and there's a couple variations of the feet that I've got. So I'll just show you the feet variation. Another thing you can do is make that end note on the sextuplet, which is the foot, just make that a diddle. Sheet music will be in the links on the website, and I hope you enjoy.